Guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my final thoughts on this crochet braid hair. I know you guys are probably like, it's a little soon for final thoughts, but I'm going to be taking this hair out today and installing a new crochet braid style for two reasons. One is I need to get content up for you guys and I want to do some new crochet videos. And then the second thing is I'm just pretty much over this. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it, okay? Okay guys, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just start to section off my hair. You're gonna need a comb. So I have everything here, my wide tooth comb. You're gonna need some type of liquid something, whether you do like a conditioner and water mix, or if you wanna get this is the Cantu Coconut Oil Shine and Hold Mist. You could do anything that pretty much has like a spray something in their product line. I would say get that. I wouldn't, I mean, I guess you can. Cantu probably has like I don't know, the Cantu leave-in is really dry, but you may be able to find like a decent leave-in conditioner that's not too expensive, where you can just spray the hair with water and then put the conditioner on top. But that is all up to you. What I'm going to be doing, as you guys saw in the thumbnail probably, I think that's the one I'm going to use, is the hair is kind of matted. So you guys can see how it just looks like this. So I'm just going to be combing it out. Using this wide tooth comb. Now, I have not been doing anything to this hair at night, and I would recommend that you do if you do want to preserve the hair for a long period of time. I really believe this hair has the potential to last at least 5 weeks, if not like 6 or 7, and that's because you can kind of like, what happens with this is it doesn't get like really rough. I would say like the hair has definitely gotten rougher as like from when I first installed it, but it's very soft. The hair is really soft, and like when you comb it out like this, you can spray whatever product and then go ahead and braid the hair to preserve it and like kind of have it ready for the next day. So it doesn't really get too knotted. The only thing I will say is that you will be combing it out like this, and it sheds so much, you guys, so much. Like the shedding is really, it's a lot, okay? I'm not used to having to deal with all of this with crochet braids. Normally my hair is very much shake and go. You know, like I don't do anything to it at night. I put on my scarf, my bonnet, and I go to sleep and I just shake it out in the morning. With this hair, it really requires maintenance. So what I'm kind of going to do actually while I'm starting to talk about this is I wrote down my little pros and cons list of this hair that I have that I wanted to mention to you guys. Even though it's only been a week, I can already, you know, I've already identified pretty much the good and the bad of this hair after wearing it for just a week. So what I was saying is going to be the maintenance. You're going to have to do something to this hair every night. It's, you know, if you want it to look nice for the next day, you're gonna have to like put this in it and braid it up at night, because I'm pretty sure you don't want to have like that matting that you saw is just from yesterday. Like I combed the hair out yesterday morning and did this routine, and then, you know, obviously went about my day, and then I just put my scarf on at night and then just went to sleep. And then all of this that's coming out, like all of this shedding, that's just from this one section. And so you see it does, like, it's nice now, but it's just like that, having to do this maintenance, like I don't like having to do that when I'm wearing crochet. I just want to be able to put on my scarf and move along. So let me see what else I have on here. Oh, it gets kind of frizzy. You guys can see, you know, you guys can see this, the frizz that's in there. So that's another thing. The putting product in it though definitely does help. That's another thing with this hair is product. Okay, you will have to put product in it. For most of my crochet braids, if you guys have watched any of my videos, I rarely use products on the hair, rarely. Like when I first started wearing crochet, I used to pretty much put mousse on everything. And then just as time went on, I just stopped putting mousse, and I like that look as well. So that's another thing. This crochet braid hair, by the time you get all the packs that you need and pay for shipping and everything, is probably going to cost you about $80. And then you're going to have to buy products for the hair as well. Or I mean, even if you're using the products that you have, you wouldn't normally have to use them if you had picked just like a traditional crochet and not this kind of like human hair. And this is just from that second section. So as you can see, it sheds a lot. Now you can see as I'm over here spraying the product and combing it out, the hair is coming out really nice. But it's just the fact that you have to take the time to do this that makes it a con for me. I told you guys about the shedding, the maintenance at night and everything. So the pros of this hair, I would definitely say the texture. The hair is really soft. If you guys wear crochet braid hairs like deep twist, ocean wave, like the looser kind of curl patterns that are long and silky like this, then you know that as time goes on, they do get rough pretty quickly and kind of mat up and everything. And just the texture itself is totally different from the texture of this hair. This hair is very soft and feels very much like bundles, honestly. Like when you feel this hair, I would not be like, ooh, this feels like crochet braid hair, you know? It feels really nice and soft and very, very much like bundles, and acts that way as well. Because I mean, if you were wearing curly hair, you know, a deep wave or something in bundles, human hair, then this is the same process that you would be doing most likely. So okay, and the last thing that I will say about this hair is that it's going to be great for water. So if you guys are going on any type of beach vacation, anything that you're going to be around water and you're looking for a good crochet braid hair, this one would definitely be bomb for sure. You can definitely swim in this. I have not swam in it, I have not wet it, but I know just by applying product and the way it works, responds to water, that you'd be totally fine to swim in this. So the main thing I would say for this hair is if you're gonna be installing it yourself, even if you're not, but your stylist will probably do this regardless. So this is mostly for if you're installing it yourself. Be sure to, I wouldn't say like put a lot of hair in your head, but don't really space it out. So if you guys have watched any other videos on my crochet braid playlist, I always space out the hair. And that's because the curl pattern is usually something that's like spirally. The hair is thicker and more of a natural texture, like a coarser texture than something like this. So you don't need as much hair. So with this, you guys, it's really easy to see the knots in the back of your head. So definitely try to put the hair close together. Definitely put this hair closer together and really pay attention if you're gonna do this invisible part in the front. Mine is a little wide, and it's wide because of the cornrows. So that's how you're gonna know. You have to make sure in the middle here that your cornrows are close together. Like not literally right on top of each other, but you want them to be close together. And that's just the way that you braid it. So pay attention to that, or your part will be really wide. Mine is not super wide, but it's a little too wide for me. And I know that if I had fixed my braids that it wouldn't look like this. So that's just a little tip to help you guys out. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish doing this to the hair, and then I will come back and show you guys how it looks.
Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you put me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. You know I loved you, but you lied. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about that you have to go on my heart. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad.
I'm done detangling basically the hair, and this is how it looks. So very, very pretty, you guys. Still very pretty. I'm just telling you guys that you will have to do you know, daily maintenance on it. I know that can be a con for some people, especially when they're doing a crochet and just kind of intending it for it to be, you know, like a lazy style where you don't really have to do too much to the hair itself. So yeah, I would say overall though, I think for this hair, I personally don't know if I would ever install it again, but I do think that it's a really nice hair, especially for someone who is looking for something that really mimics human hair, like curly bundles, maybe like for a vacation or something like that, but they don't want to spend, you know, $300, $400, $500 on that. And so, and maybe they also want the versatility of a crochet as well. So yeah, I would just definitely say that the hair looks really nice. So I would still recommend it. I just wanted to kind of update you guys on how the hair looks, just so y'all can see everything. And this is how it looks in the back. So yeah, definitely very pretty, you guys. I mean, I think that's pretty much going to be all I have to say about the hair. If you're looking for specific specs, the length, the link to the hair, all of that is going to be in the very first video, which will be in the description, linked in the description box down below for you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys would try out this hair. And if you have tried it out before, what did you think and how long did you wear it for? Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And if you guys are interested in this robe that I'm wearing, this is from my online store. I will have the link to it in the description box down below if you guys are interested. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.